Hello there everyone, this is Jeff Perkins with JD Cutlery doing a quick video on two of the most recently worked on knives that I have done, which are the Null Knives Vandal. I was able to pick up these two over at Blade Show Texas from Sean, and the Vandal actually won two of the Blade Show Best in Show awards this year, being 2026 Blade Show Texas. So definitely speaking to the quality of the knife, the design of the knife, and that type of thing. So very excited for Sean for those awards. And just wanted to put out a quick video on the Vandal. It is the largest in his line of knives. I'm going to go ahead and go through his quick little blurb that he puts up about the Vandal. The Vandal is our largest folder to date, built with a purpose and presence, featuring a 3.85-inch blade of Vanax SuperClean steel. This knife is designed to stand out and stand up to anything. Inspired by the energy of New York City, where the chaos and creativity collide, the Vandal takes its name from the street artist who turned walls into canvases and rebellion into expression. In a city where every surface tells a story, graffiti isn't destruction, it's declaration. That same raw creativity, that fearless self-expression, lives in every line and every detail of this knife. With a bold silhouette, variant configurations, and unapologetic attitude, the Vandal is a tribute to the makers and the doers and the rule breakers who leave their mark. Whether you're carrying it on the street or keeping it in the collection, the Vandal is up to the task. Make some noise. Carve your own path. Well, very interesting little description of the Vandal and some of Sean's motivation behind his design. It is definitely the largest in his line of knives and is a very snappy, well-built piece. I think I also add to that Vandal description by continuing to graffiti, air quotes, with the anodizing and changing his vision into something a little bit different. So let me go ahead and hit the overalls on this one. Overall length is 8.75 inches. Blade length, again, is 3.85. Cutting edge is 3.7. Blade thickness is 0.145. Blade material, again, is the Vanax SuperClean compound. Ground Tanto. It is an HRC of 60 to 61. Handle length of 4.9 inches. Handle thickness of 0.53. Titanium, I would say, scales / frame lock pocket clip backspacer. This version does have the micarta scales. Now, these micarta scales have been modified by me. They were the straight natural brown, and they had that kind of grippy micarta feel. I went ahead and dyed that natural brown black and gave it a rich two-tone effect of black and deep brown. You'll see it a little better as I pick them up and go into detail on them. But then I polished them some to, one, lock in that color, and two, give it just a little bit more of a smooth texture to it. So I have modified those scales. He does have his tri-stud thumb stud, finger stud, however you want to deploy. A cage ceramic bearing system, a ceramic detent ball, hardened steel lock bar insert, as well as hardened steel washers that the ceramic bearings on the pivot are running on, a centering back spacer, 3D milled pocket clip, and hidden pocket clip hardware. So those are the specs on the knife. Definitely, as stated before, this is the largest in his design group. I'm really enjoying it. I like a bigger knife. It definitely is a more solid feel. It has that heaviness to the blade that definitely feels you confident in really using this one to do some heavy duty work. I love the way the voodoo looks, but the tip of that blade is just so fine and pointed that I was always hesitant to really put that one to hard use up at the tip, and this one with this crazy compound grind definitely takes that concern out of the picture. So this one here is polished out titanium and all the hardware. This one has a green background with Superstorm treatment and all the hardware done bronze. The backspacer and pocket clip have also been polished out and given the same storm treatment. Really turned out pretty sharp looking. This one is very cool. Here's what I was talking about with the handle color. You've got that rich brown and black, and it definitely has a much smoother texture than the standard micarta that's a little more grippy. This one definitely feels great in the hand. Again, much larger knife. I do like that you can deploy it with the thumb stud. He's got really nice channels in the blade that you can flick it out from the underside. You can use that thumb stud from the underside. So a lot of different ways to deploy this one. You can use, of course, your thumb in the normal operation as well. So that is the green storm treated version. This one is a polished out purple, blue, bronze with the storm treatment, and then all of the hardware has been done blue. That backspacer turned out really sharp, really pops against those scales. And again, storm treatment on the other bolster. Just a really fun knife to flick open and pop open. Lock up, as always, is very nice. And there's that deep, rich color in the scales. So these are manufactured by Riot, of course, for Null Knives. So you get all the fit and finish that you would expect in a Riot produced knife with Sean and Null Knives' new design, the Vandal. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.